What's going on, everyone? Josh Quinones here at the beautiful Samsung Experience Store here in LA. If you're ever in the area, you need to come visit this store as soon as possible. Very cool setup they have going on here, but I'm actually here spending a little bit of time with the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Galaxy Z Flip 4 as well. And in this video, I just kind of want to do just a quick little 4K video test with this device right here, just to kind of give you guys an idea of what video quality is like on this phone right here. Now, of course, I will be doing my full 4K video test when I get my official device in hand, but let's go and test these out, see what these cameras are about. Just a quick test. All right, here we are recording on the Galaxy Z Fold 4, doing a quick 4K video test, 4K 30 frames per second. I can't take the phone out of the store or anything like that, but I still want to just quickly test out these cameras and see how well they perform. I will be doing another video, a full 4K video test. You already know how I do it, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick idea of what the quality is like when recording at 4K on these cameras on the Z Fold 4, taking it to the ultra wide angle lens here at the Samsung Experience Store in LA. Very, very cool setup they have going on here. So you can see I'm very close to the outside there. If I zoom in 3 times, look at the quality there at 3 times zoom. We can also zoom in all the way to 12 times if you really wanted to. Taking it back to the main lens. Got another Z Fold 4 right there. Got the Z Flip 4 right there. Get a little close up on this. What do y'all think? Like I said, just a quick 4K video test. Let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. If you've never been here to the Samsung Experience Store and you happen to be in the area, you need to come check it out. Very, very cool setup here. Again, 3 times zoom. All the way to 12 times zoom. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. Let's go ahead and check out the front-facing camera. All right, so this is the front-facing camera on the outer display on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. What do you guys think? I got the light behind me, as you can see right there from outside, and if I turn this way, there'll be more light in my face right here. What do y'all think about the quality? Looking pretty good here on the viewfinder. Got the nice Samsung Experience Store right here behind me. Also, let me know what you think about the microphones as well. Like I said, this is just a quick test. I will be doing, my official 4K video test when I get my official device in hand. But I've been loving this device so far, just checking it out here in the store. Again, let me know what y'all think. This is a front-facing camera on the outer display of the Z Fold 4. Let's go ahead and check out the camera on the inside display as well. All right, so this is using that inside display or under display camera on the big screen on the inside. What do y'all think? Of course, quality isn't going to be the best, and it doesn't have an option to record at 4K either. It tops out at 4K 60 frames per second. What I'm using right now is 4K 30 frames per second, but I thought I'd go ahead and test it out anyways. What do y'all think? Like I said, here in the Samsung Experience Store, here we are. It's really nice though, because you have this bigger display to really see what you're recording. It's always nice to record on a big display like this, to where you can really see everything instead of trying to squint in to a smaller display, even though quality might not be the best. But let me know what y'all think. Again, this is just a quick 4K video test with the new Galaxy Z Fold 4. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. So there you have it, just a quick 4K video test with the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment sections below. Do you think the cameras are good enough to compete with something like a Galaxy S22 Ultra, or do you think they lag a little bit? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos that I got coming with both of these devices right here, because once I get my official devices in hand, I'm going to have tons of videos coming. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you all so very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.